welcome to CloudML's Akash. So I posted a question on LinkedIn, uh, how to draw a linear decision boundary for dataset like this. And I also told that I will be posting the video answer, and here I am making the video. So as you can see, this dataset is not linearly separated. You can't draw a line which can separate these all data points, right? So first of all, understand what kind of data it is. It is something called XOR data. So all of you would have learned about XOR, exclusive OR. So it means like if they are dissimilar, A and B are dissimilar, then only it's one. Otherwise, if they are similar, then it's zero. So it's XOR logic gates. If you see this is how it's plotted, like suppose you mark points 1 and 0, so like 1 comma 1 will be in this side. So you can think of this of two classes, 1 comma 1, 0 comma 1, 0 0 1 0. So don't go by coordinates, like 0 is nowhere here. You can think of is at -1, and if like going by 0, the points would be lying here, here, and here, like different colors, that this point would come here, this would come here, and this would come here. But to make it simpler, they have more and different classes. They have put it like this one, -1 comma 1, you can think of this you can think of -1 comma 1, and this you can think of 1 comma -1. Now coming to the point how the coloring is done. So if you see 0 comma 0 is red, is 0, 1 comma 1 is also red. Here in the logic table it's 0, and 0 1 1 0 or 1. So 0 1 and 1 0, they belong to same class, so they are same color. So this kind of data you cannot like try draw a line, try to separate it. It won't be separable. See, if you tell all the points to this side are green or red, that's not possible, because one is red, one is green. Here also the same case, but in this OR you can easily separate. You can see along this line, whatever belongs to this side is belonging to one class. Okay, so this kind of separation is there, but in XOR this linear separation is not there. So quite interesting, I was asked in an interview, basically it was Ericsson company, they asked me how to separate it using logistic regression. So logistic regression is a linear separable algorithm which was on points which are linearly separable. So what we can do is we can do some kind of feature engineering. I'll tell you. Sorry. So what can be done is, so what we will do, this is suppose this is my feature f1, and this is my feature f2. Very difficult to write. I will buy a tab very soon. So now suppose these points are like positive positive. If we go by like axis y, this is positive positive, this one is negative positive, this one is negative negative, and this one is uh, positive, x is positive and y is negative. So f2 is y-axis, f1 is x-axis. Okay, pardon the graphics, it's not so clear, but yeah, you can understand. So if we multiply f1, if we make a feature 3 equal to f1, yeah, f1 into f2. Sorry for this. So now if I do f1 into f2, then this point positive into positive will become positive, this is negative into negative will also become positive, and it will come in this side, and this part positive into negative will come to this side, and this part negative into positive, negative into, it will again come to this side. So we can see this diagram. So this line can act as a linear separator now. So my points which were here previously now have come to this side, because I made a axis. So as you can see here, the f2 y-axis feature in this case remains the same, but the I am changing the x-axis with the f3 feature. So which is a derived feature is which of like f1 into f2. So that's why what happened, like the points changed along the y-axis, like this point came this side, so the values remain the same, but the x values be changed. Now because of this, this line is very easily can separate my data points. So this is a kind of feature engineering, which can help us to separate XOR kind of data sets. Many people talked about SVM. Many people talked about these things also. You can see these people, they have pretty well answered this question. I'll give you the link of this. Some people are talking about SVM. I'm not pretty much sure. I have not worked much on SVM, but it would be quite interesting to someone to explain me how uh, SVM will do it. Like people are telling a radial basis solve linear problem of transfer. No, yeah, it seems possible, but I'm not pretty much sure, so I can't comment much. And apart from this, it's a very simple step like feature engineering, and you can use a logistic regression and do it. And many people have given this answer, so it's quite interesting one. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you very much. Do subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.